In this video I'm going to show you how to add page numbers in Google Docs starting in page 2. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. First, you can see that I have 2 pages right here, okay? So you just need to come on the second page, click right here at the top left corner on insert. Okay, so click on insert and you will see several options. The option that interests us is page numbers, below, headers, readers and footers. So come right here and you will see more options and page count. Click right here and you will add the page count just starting on the page 2, okay? Be aware that you need to make this process on all pages on front, okay? So for example, the first doesn't have, the second have, and the third doesn't have 2. So if you want to make this with the third page, you need to make the same process: insert, come on page numbers, page count, and so on. You can also click right here on insert, come on page numbers, click on any of these options. Okay, I'll use this one, and click on different first page. So click right here, different first page, and just not type anything. You will see that the count will start on the page 2. I hope I helped you how to add page numbers in Google Docs starting in page 2. So if this video helped you in any way, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to receive useful tips.